Alright, so headlights are done. Just about to do one more layer of sealant and let that dry and then be ready to go. But you want to download Magic LED. That's the app for these. So changes all the colors like that. You got your regular colors here, so you can click these if you just want shortcuts to the individual colors. It's white, it's pretty bright. This drop down menu got all your different modes. It's a couple hundred of these, so this is where you get all of this stuff. So if you don't want to scroll through, you can just hit the arrow button there. So yeah, so it's a lot of modes to pick from. But Magic LED is the app. It's Bluetooth, so once you get that turned on, it should just pull up this SP105E, and that'll connect you right to it. Got your buttons down here, so you can speed it up, slow it down. So if that's slow, speed it up all the way. Got your brightness, turn this down. It's better for the video like this, but so it's easier to see what's going on camera with the brightness turned down. But when you want to go out, really want to be seen, turn your brightness back up. But for the video, I'll keep it low.